Welcome back, students. In this video, we are going to do the simple multiplication method in which we are going to multiply the fraction with the whole numbers. So, सबसे पहले हमने क्या करना है? We have to convert the whole numbers into fractions and then find the required products. ठीक है? तो हमारे पास यहाँ पर we have 5 over here and 5 is a whole number. इसको हम convert करेंगे whole number को fraction में, तो it will be as 5 over 1. Alright, then we have to write the fraction next to it, that is 1 over 7. Now we are going to multiply the numerator with the numerator, that is 5 multiplied by 1, and then we put the bar under it. उसके बाद next हमारे पास है 1 multiplied by 7. So what is 5 multiplied by 1? 5 multiplied by 1 is 5 and 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. So the answer of this question is 5 over 7. Next we have 7 whole number and 2 by 15 as a fraction. So we are going to convert the number 7 into fraction by putting 1 under the number 7, and then we are going to multiply it with the fraction. Let's write the numerator together. It's 2 by 1 multiplied by 15, right? So the answer is 2 sevens of 14 and 14 के बाद 15 multiplied by 1 is 15. The answer is 15. So this is how you can do the multiplication of the fraction. ठीक है, अब हम क्या करेंगे? We have whole number 5, इसके नीचे हम 1 put करेंगे इस तरह, and then we multiply it with the fraction. Let's write the numerators together, 5 multiplied by 1, and then denominators together, that is 7 multiplied by 1. The answer is 5 over 7. Let's look at another example, that is 3 multiplied by 1 over 11. So we are going to convert the number 3 in fraction, and then we're gonna write the the fraction, that is 1 over 11, and then we're gonna write the numerators together. Okay, 1 over 3 and 1 into 11. So 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 and 1 multiplied by 11 is 11. Let's move on to the next slide and solve some more questions related to some simple multiplication method. Solve and match the product with the correct आंसर. ठीक है, ये आपको उन्होंने नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं, आपने इनको मल्टीप्लाई करके इन नंबर्स के साथ मैच करना है. ठीक है, इनके प्रोडक्ट्स को मैच करना है. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द पार्ट बी. ठीक है, हम पार्ट बी को पहले करेंगे एंड वी आर गोइंग टू डू द रफ वर्क सेपरेटली. ऑलराइट, so what is 5 multiplied by 1 over 6? It's 5 over 1 multiplied by 1 over 6. We multiply the numerators with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So the answer is 5 over 6. We are going to look over here and this is where the 5 over 6 is. तो हम इसको इसके साथ मैच. नेक्स्ट 3 into 2 over 7. तो हम इस एग्जाम्पल को यहाँ पर सॉल्व करेंगे. 3 over 1 यानी हमने इसको फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. देन वी मल्टीप्लाई 2 over 7. 3 2s are 6 and 7 1s are 7. So the answer is 6 over 7. That's on the top over here. Let's match it together. ठीक है, now we are going to move to the example, that is D part, and 5 multiplied by 1 over 11. तो ये जल्दी से हम सॉल्व करते हैं. 5 over 1 multiplied by 1 over 11. 5 1s are 5 यानी 5 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे एंड 1 को 11 से. 5 multiplied by 1 is 5 and 1 multiplied by 11 is 11. तो ये 5 over 11 हो जाएगा और this is where we are going to match the number. Alright, next we have 3 into 3 over 13. So we're gonna write over here 3 over 1 and multiply by 3 over 13. हम 3 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड 1 को 13 से. So the answer is 3 3s are 9 and 13 ones are 13. Answer is 9 over 13. So this is the product of the following fraction. We're going to match it like this. I hope you guys understand how did we do this multiplication, and I'll be giving you more practice questions. But up till now, see you guys in the next video.